Our children are not safe. Did you know that something harmful is affecting children globally and right here in Ghana? It's called lead poisoning, and it's a serious danger to their health. Around 800 million children, that is 1 in 3 children, have dangerous levels of lead in their blood, requiring urgent action worldwide. So what exactly is lead? Lead is a harmful chemical that can poison our bodies, and it is found in some of the everyday things we use, like some traditional eyeliners that are used. Some call it shilo, koli, kaji, certain metal cooking pots, white baked clay that some call shile, ayelo, or farin kasa, which pregnant women use to avoid nausea. Old paint on the wall. When children swallow the paint peeling off, they can have lead into their body. Also, when people are looking for scrap metals or old batteries, burning electronics, all these things can spread lead into the air, in the water, and in the soil on which we live. But why is lead so bad? Lead is a poison, and it's especially harmful to pregnant women and young children. For children, lead can cause permanent brain damage, and this can make them harder to learn. It can affect their intelligence or even how they behave. It can make them grow slowly and affect their whole behavior. What is worse, it can even affect their kidneys and other important parts of their developing bodies. They also absorb up to 4 to 5 times more lead from the environment into their bodies than adults. Also, for pregnant women, lead is very dangerous because it can pass from the pregnant woman to the baby in the womb. So by the time the baby is born, the baby is already affected. Pregnant women can have low blood levels, that is called anemia. It can also lead to miscarriage, premature birth. So what can you do to prevent and to keep yourself safe from lead poisoning? First, children and pregnant women should stay away from places where they are handling or burning old electronics, computers, car batteries, phone batteries, and all these things. For pregnant women, it's important to avoid eating ayelo, farin kasa, or shile during pregnancy, as this is contain lead. Adults should ensure that children don't eat or chew on paints that are peeling from the walls. We should also be careful with the cosmetics that we use, whether our traditional eyeliners, the kaji, the koli, or even some of the imported ones that can have high levels of lead. We should avoid these things, especially applying them on our children. Finally, let us make sure that children wash their hands regularly and we feed them healthy, nutritious meals. By working together, we can stop lead poisoning from harming our children, and we can all create a healthy environment for every child in Ghana and for every child worldwide.